You ever wonder why we suffer so? Santa Claus, will you ever come to the
All right, now creating art with all her heart. Our next guest has been drawing since basic school, where she would often be asked to draw for both teachers and students. So join us this morning is 15-year-old art student and painter, Britannia Dace. Is that how it's pronounced, the last name?
Nope.
How is it pronounced?
Dias.
Dias, all right. I apologize for that. Morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Tell me if you can remember the first time you had to draw something.
I remember this one time in basic school, her name is Miss Mac, my teacher, one of my favorite teachers, by the way. She asked me to draw the Jamaica map, the map of Jamaica, on the board from memory.
From memory?
Mm-hmm.
How old were you at the time, you said?
About 5.
And you remember doing it like how the Jamaica flag did look for real? Or the map did look?
The map looked like, it did look like the flag, not the flag, it did look like the map,
yeah.
But more like a fish.
And then how did you think after that I'm not a good painter, not a good drawer, or you wanted to be a good painter after that?
I could improve from that, but after that, I knew I could like improve and work towards it.
Yeah.
And yeah, I knew I can do it.
What do you paint? What do you draw? Do you like, it's what? Landscape, abstract, what do you do?
I practice realism.
And that would mean what?
Like real life stuff, like.
Okay. That's
stuff in real life, yeah.
That's your painting, drawing right there?
Yup.
But that's great. That's fantastic. Have you been taught, having not done so well with the map, have you been taught how to do stuff since then?
Nope, I wasn't been. The only teacher I had was YouTube and practicing.
Oh, that's brilliant. So you want to do this full time after you leave school, or this is just a hobby? What you gonna do with this?
Both hobby and full time.
Yeah. You have anyone in your mind that you want to paint that you haven't painted? Anybody?
That's my favorite artist at the moment, and his name is J. Cole.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you going to do it? Have you done it?
I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to.
Yeah. Britannia, you could have said Neville Bell still, you know. You could have said Neville Bell.
Sorry.
It's all right, but I'm just teasing you. So how much time do you spend on this? Because I know you go to school, I know you have lots more to do. So how much time do you spend on art, painting, drawing? What you're a painter and artist, what I must call you? You paint and you draw, or you what? What you do?
They can call me an artist because in the future, well, in the near future, I like to try out digital art.
Okay, great. So how much time you spend on it?
About a couple hours. I make time, like other than school, try to make time to do like drawing. And right now, I'm working with canvas.
Okay, so a couple hours per day?
Well, per drawing, not per day.
Oh, per drawing. And how often do you draw? Every day, on the weekend, what?
Like, I could sketch, like not like official drawing. Sometimes I sketch, like to practice,
Okay.
or to actually like plan out drawing.
Okay. Here, I have a request. You don't mind if I have a request?
I don't mind.
Okay. I want you to draw me.
I wouldn't.
You would?
Yes.
All right. So when you have time, you draw me and you send it, and you're going to charge me for it?
Of course.
Britannia, I love you already, you know. All right, but don't charge me plenty money, okay?
I might charge you plenty.
It's great to meet you. I hope your dream will come true. I pray that you have a wonderful holiday season with your family and that you stay safe. And God bless you. All right? I love you.
All
All
right.
right?
All right.
Yeah,
Same to you.
yeah, man. Take care. Britannia Dias, 15-year-old painter and ardent student.